In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple materials to a single object in Blender step by step in a way that's super easy to follow. So let's get started. First, open up Blender and select the object that you want to work with. This can be a cube, a sphere, or any model that you have created. For example, I'll just use the default cube. Now go over to the right side of your screen and you will find the Material Properties panel. So it's the tab with the small red sphere icon. This is where all of your materials are managed. On the top of the panel, you will see a section called as Material Slots. These slots allow you to assign multiple materials to different parts of the same object. Just go ahead and click the plus icon and you will see a slot will be added. You can add many slots if you want by just clicking on it like so. Let's start with the slot number 1. With your slot selected, just click on New to create a new material. You can change its color or properties to make it look different. So let's just add some color. So I'm just gonna choose the green color like so. And once the color has been added, we will just go to the viewport shading like so. And you will see the color has been successfully changed. Now let's add another color for material number 2. Just click on the new icon and select your color, which in my case is going to be red like so, and click off to confirm. And you will see the material has been added, but the color is still the same and it is not changing from any side, as you can see. That's completely normal. This is where the important parts comes in. To assign different material to a specific part of your object, you need to go to the edit mode. Just press tab key on your keyboard and you will be in the edit mode. Once you are in the edit mode, you can select the part of your mesh. You can just go to the top corner and just click on select mode, and from here you can select the face like so. You can select any face that you want. Let's say I want to change the color of the top face. I'll just select it and go to the material number 2 and then click the assign button like so. And just like that, the selected part of your object will now have a different material. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. So let's go ahead and add another material. So you will just click on new and just click on the yellow dot and let's add a texture. Let's add a big texture like so. And once the texture has been added, we will just go to the select mode once again and just select any side. Let's say I want to add this particular side and go to the materials tab and click on assign, and you will see we have successfully added the brick texture also. You can also preview the rendered version, which looks like this. And that's it. That's how you add multiple materials to single object in Blender.